Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLE 53 Coupe AMG. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter inline-6 turbo with EQ boost with 429 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one has 21-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. Running boards, AMG night package with black accents on the front, side, and rear. AMG black Napple leather, an AMG carbon fiber trim. Rear spoiler, AMG GLE 53 badging. Trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of AMG floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Driver's assistance package with active distance assist, Distronic active with steering assist, active blind spot assist, active lane assist, active speed limit assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, ambient lighting, AMG illuminated door sill, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view camera with sensors, warmth and comfort package with rapid heated front seats, heated front armrests and door panels, dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, different parking cameras. This GLE 53 Coupe has 30,029 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 53 AMG Coupe, visit us at feldmanimports.com.